The starfire lily, also known as the blood lily, or scientifically as Scedoxis multiflorus, is one of the most stunning flowering bulbs you can grow. With its spherical burst of red, firework-like flowers and unique foliage, it's an eye-catching addition to any garden. Whether you're growing it in containers, flower beds, or indoors as a houseplant, this highly rewarding bulb is surprisingly easy to cultivate with the right knowledge. If you're looking for a plant that offers both exotic beauty and low-maintenance care, the starfire lily is an excellent choice. It thrives in warm climates, produces unique blooms, and even has interesting foliage that remains attractive after flowering. Plus, its ability to naturalize and return year after year makes it a long-term favorite for gardeners who appreciate plants with character. Let's get right into how you can grow this remarkable plant from bulbs and ensure it flourishes in your garden or home. The best way to start growing starfire lily is by selecting high-quality bulbs. These should be firm, free of rot, and preferably large, as larger bulbs typically produce more vigorous plants. The best way to start growing starfire lily is by selecting high-quality bulbs. These should be firm, free of rot, and preferably large, as larger bulbs typically produce more vigorous plants. If you are purchasing bulbs, aim for reputable suppliers who specialize in flowering bulbs to guarantee the best results. Before planting, it's beneficial to soak the bulbs in lukewarm water for a few hours. If your bulbs have any dry or withered roots, trim them slightly to encourage fresh root development once they are planted. The starfire lily is a warm season bulb, meaning it thrives in temperatures above 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees Celsius. The starfire lily is a warm season bulb, meaning it thrives in temperatures above 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees Celsius. If you live in a cooler climate, you'll want to start your bulbs indoors or in a greenhouse to give them a head start before transplanting outdoors when the weather warms up. Choose a planting site that receives bright, indirect light or partial shade. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, but too much shade will lead to weak growth and fewer blooms. If you are growing them in pots, you can move them to different locations to find the best balance of light. Starfire lily bulbs prefer well-draining, slightly sandy soil with a good amount of organic matter. A mixture of potting soil, sand, and compost works well to create the ideal conditions. Avoid heavy clay-based soil as it can lead to bulb rot. Plant the bulbs about 2 to 3 inches deep with the pointed end facing upwards. Space them about 6 to 8 inches apart to allow ample room for the foliage and blooms to spread. If growing in a container, ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent excess moisture retention. Once planted, water the bulbs thoroughly and maintain consistent moisture during the growing season. Once planted, water the bulbs thoroughly and maintain consistent moisture during the growing season. Starfire lily does not like to dry out completely, but overwatering can be just as harmful. The goal is to keep the soil evenly moist without it becoming soggy. During the active growing period, feed the plants with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. A fertilizer with a slightly higher phosphorus content will encourage robust flowering. As the plant matures, you can reduce feeding, especially as it enters dormancy. One of the key factors is temperature. If the bulbs experience too much cold, they may struggle to bloom. Keeping them in a warm environment with occasional watering helps trigger the flowering process. Additionally, removing spent flowers once they fade encourages the plant to conserve energy for the next bloom cycle. Even after the flowers fade, The foliage remains lush and green, making it an attractive plant throughout the season. Continue to care for the leaves, as they help replenish the bulb's energy for the following year's blooms. As summer fades and temperatures drop, starfire lily naturally enters dormancy. As summer fades and temperatures drop, starfire lily naturally enters dormancy. If you live in a tropical or subtropical climate, you can leave the bulbs in the ground year-round. In colder regions, however, you'll need to lift and store them to protect them from frost. To overwinter the bulbs, allow the foliage to die back naturally, then carefully dig up the bulbs. Store them in a dry, cool location with good air circulation. Placing them in dry peat moss or sand helps prevent excessive drying out. When spring arrives, simply replant them and start the cycle over again. Fortunately, starfire lily is relatively pest-resistant. However, slugs and snails are known to nibble on young shoots. A simple solution is to use organic slug deterrents or copper tape around containers. Root rot is the most common issue and is usually caused by poor drainage or overwatering. To prevent this, ensure your soil drains well and never let the bulbs sit in waterlogged conditions. Few plants offer the dazzling floral display of the starfire lily. Its fiery blooms, striking foliage, and easy-care nature make it a must-have for any gardener looking to add a unique touch to their space. With proper planting care and seasonal maintenance, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking flowers year after year. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to Hydro Haven for more in-depth gardening tutorials. Share this with fellow plant lovers, and let's all enjoy the beauty of gardening together.